You've just tuned in to WirelessEmporium.com. Today we're going to demonstrate the similarities between the HTC extended USB connector and the standard mini USB connector. As you can see, the adapter on the left is the HTC adapter, and the one on the right is the mini USB adapter. Here we have an HTC Touch Pro 2. Your HTC standard adapter comes with every HTC phone, and when charging, in the top right corner you will see a little plug. With the mini USB adapter, even though the shape does not match, this too also will apply. When plugging in, it will charge with the little plug in the top right corner. So even though these two plugs have different shapes, they serve the same purpose. For the latest accessories and free shipping on every order, visit WirelessEmporium.com.